Yes. Yes. This one, yeah. Come and play this game with me. Yeah, come on. Easy way. Okay, this one is white and blue. That's blue. Here's, yeah. You can try this at home. This is really funny for your kid. You can test. Oh my god. Sorry. Sorry. Here. Oh my god. Yes. Yes. Yeah. Yes. 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 Oh my god. There's more here. One here. Okay, that one here. Oh no. No, no, no. One here. Okay. It's more. Yeah. Yes. It's all small. Okay. Okay, play. Oh no. Oh no. Yeah. Yes. Yes. Okay. This one. Okay. Try. Let's try to play with me. Hello. Hello, hello. Okay, come on. I think this one is good. How to play? Can everyone please show me how to play this one? This one is use your idea to complete this first. This is my first time here. I try to find and make it complete. Yes. Oh my god. It's not easy. It's not easy, yeah. Oh my god. It's not easy, yeah. It's not easy to play. Okay. 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 And more here. Let's see. Oh my god. Oh my god. Another one here. What is here? What is here? Okay. What is this? What is this? not sure this is correct or not. I don't know how to play this one, but I try to do it. To do it. I don't know how to play this. I hope I can correct this one. Let's try. Oh no. Why here? It here. Yes, it's here. I think it's not. Oh, I think it's like. Okay. Is this correct or not? How to play? Just give me some idea. I'm not sure how to play this game, but I try to make it out by myself. Come on. Yes. Yes. Oh, it's not complete. Yeah. It's not complete yet. How to play this? If everybody know how to play this game, just let me know and send me some advice. This is a try to play this game by myself, and other one here how to play. I don't know how to play this. Please let me know. Okay, leave your comment below my video if everybody know about how to play this game. And thank you for watching everybody. See you next video.